Hey everyone, happy Black Friday. I've got an incredible deal for you today that you won't want to miss. If you've been looking for an amazing AI video editing tool, Pictory is one of the best out there. And for Black Friday, you can get 50% off for life on any Pictory plan. Yes, half off for the lifetime of your subscription. This exclusive deal is only available through my special link in the description below. Here's how it works. Click my link in the description. This is the only way to unlock the deal. Once you're on the Pictory page, you'll see a Get 50% Off Now button at the top right. Click that button and you're good to go. The discount will be applied automatically, no coupon code needed. It's that simple. From there, you just choose the plan that works best for you. Personally, I recommend the professional plan, but all the options are fantastic depending on your needs. Don't miss out on this exclusive Black Friday offer. It's the best chance to get Pictory at half the price, and it's only available through my link. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Black Friday shopping.